I'm from the Museum of Failure in Sweden, and we also have a museum in Los Angeles. It's a collection of failed innovations from business, tech. The one here today is all focused on innovation in healthcare. So the NHS is a huge organization, and they need to evolve with the world around them. And they need innovation just like any other organization. And they're big, so when they fail, it can sometimes be huge.
A collection of fabulous innovations that actually had great promise, and we wanted to draw some parallels with some of the innovations in healthcare that don't kill people when they fail. That's not what we're looking at, innovations like that. It's innovations that have failed because of process, money, time, over-promising, and let's have a look at how we stop those things happening. And if we do have an innovation that looks like it's not going to be successful, let's nip it in the bud, learn from the lessons, either move on to something else or tweak it a bit so we can put it into practice successfully.
People intuitively understand that innovation requires failure. It's more difficult, however, to accept failure in practice. So on the floor, in your team, that's much more sensitive. And that's what the museum is also about, creating a forum to stimulate discussion about accepting failure. Okay, this right here is the thoroughness. It was from 2013. It was supposed to revolutionize blood testing. So instead of taking a proper blood sample, a huge sample like this, all you needed was this tiny little micro tube. All you needed was a little stick in your finger, and you could do all the blood tests that were necessary. People thought this was the solution, that was a savior to healthcare. The problem was that the company was a bluff. The technology didn't work, and despite all the money and all the publicity, it came crashing down.
When we think about improvements and innovation, it's about actually learning as much from your failure as much as it is from your successes, and we don't do enough of that. We don't really test out things in such a way, think about new things to the extent that we could do, and this is the opportunity to come and look at where other people have done that.
Because failure is essential to progress. You can't have progress or innovation without accepting failure.